Hey everyone, it's Rin. I'm here to give you an update. I just finished my third week of Coding Dojo, my Coding Bootcamp. Woo! Things got tough this week. I thought it was complicated the last few weeks, but no, nothing compared to this week. So last week we did, gosh, it seems like forever ago, but we did jQuery and JavaScript. This week we did Python, first week of Python, and Flask. So we did Python fundamentals, Python object-oriented programming, and then Flask. And man, it has gotten complicated. But on a positive note, I'm feeling really comfortable operating inside my computer's terminal. Really awesome. We've been starting our own servers, we're getting ready to work with APIs. It's pretty amazing. I was talking to somebody who did CS in college, and they said that we did 2 semesters worth of material in a week. So it's been crazy. I was feeling I had a hard day on Tuesday and fell behind and just was having a really hard time getting it together and just pushing through. I felt like I was so far behind, and then this weekend came. This is Sunday. I've been here Saturday and Sunday. And I realized that the whole class was some level of behind, and that it's just a lot to process. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. I'm just working through it. It's just a fight. It's like being in a battle. You're in war. You have to just move forward and fight to learn this code and never give up, and you have to work on your morale and everything. So yeah, Python is amazing. I'm already really see the potential of Python and how cool it is. So I'm happy to be with Python, but man, this is the hardest thing I've ever done. It's so crazy. And I've never pushed myself like this in a way that is so complete and so unyielding. So yeah, learning how to work through myself was this week and my own stress levels and continue to go through. I mean, it's one thing to be in something where you can fake it till you make it, but with coding, it's you have to just learn and do it well. So yeah, long hours, 7 days a week. I'm in a death match to learn coding, but it's been really rewarding. So again, I still have the same stance that it's very worth it to do a boot camp. You learned so much more than you could even imagine. So today's Sunday. I'm here. I'm about to leave and hopefully plant some plants in my garden, because this next week we are jumping in deep, and by the end of the week we should have most of our back-end stack covered, and it'll be about refining it and really learning the interconnectivity of it. So yeah, I'm surviving. I am building my knowledge. Oh yeah, and today I have coded for 21 days straight in this boot camp, and things are starting to click. It's a lot more subtle than I was hoping for, this one day getting up and just this big light bulb coming and popping up, and suddenly I'm a coder, but nothing like that. Just very subtle, I'm starting to get it. Oh, I kind of understand it. Oh, for loops, yeah, if statements, okay, else if, while. Still struggling with algorithms, but I'm starting to get them. So I'm pushing forward and I'm moving forward. Tomorrow is a new week. I'm fighting with everything I got to learn all this, and it's been really intense, but it's been wonderful, and I'm really grateful for all my cohort mates, everybody who's here battling it out with me. It's really important to do this with people and share that experience. Even an introvert like me really finds the value in it. So yeah, I'll update you next week, and I'm still out here battling it out and working to be a coder. So have a beautiful week, everyone, and I'll talk to you next week.